Welcome. Now we will dive into the art of presenting your work, turning your research into a story that's clear, compelling, and memorable for your audience. We will start by looking at publication venues, from workshops to conferences. Next, we will discuss the variety of presentation formats. And finally, I will share practical tips for delivering engaging and clear presentations that connect you with your audience. In computer science, sharing your work happens across a variety of venues, from smaller workshops to major conferences. Workshops, often attached to bigger conferences, provide a more intimate environment where early ideas can be tested, feedback gathered, and participants engaged in discussions. Conferences such as NeurIPS, SIGGRAPH, CHI offer a bigger stage to showcase cutting-edge research to larger audiences. Traditionally, conferences in computer science also archive contributions in ACM or IEEE proceedings, giving your work visibility and credibility similar to journals. Traveling to and participating in these events adds direct feedback, networking opportunities, and helps build a tight-knit research community. Journals like IEEE Transaction on Computers or ACM Transactions on Graphics publish fully developed studies. They typically don't provide a presentation platform, but provide more prestige underlined by citation statistics and rankings. A more recent trend is pre-publication on platforms like arXiv, allowing researchers to share results before the often month-long review cycle concludes. Keep in mind, arXiv papers are preliminary and not peer-reviewed, so quality assurance is not guaranteed. When it comes to presenting your work, conferences offer a wide range of formats, each with unique opportunities and challenges. Posters let you showcase your work visually and engage in one-on-one conversations. They are great for detailed discussions, but you need to be able to explain your research clearly in a short interaction. Demos allow your audience to experience your system or software directly, giving hands-on insight. The challenge is ensuring everything works smoothly during the session. Full presentations provide time to explain your work in depth and tell a complete story. They require careful structuring and clear delivery to keep the audience engaged. Also on stage, but shorter, could be short presentations or minute madness. They are excellent for sparking interest and rather work as a 1 to 5 minute teaser of your work. Workshop presentations combine discussion and collaboration, letting you test early stage ideas in a small interactive environment. The challenge is balancing detail with openness to feedback, which incorporated could later lead to a full paper presentation. Finally, hallway conversations are informal and very powerful. You can get spontaneous feedback from peers, but you must be concise and compelling to make an impression quickly. Each format requires adapting your communication style and knowing your audience, but all are valuable for sharing your research and building connections. When it comes to presentation skills, it starts with your style and personality. You will get your chance to practice in the second part of the seminar in your study group. And additionally, there are some general do's and don'ts to communicate effectively. Audience awareness. Don't give a presentation that only specialists in your narrow sub-area can understand. Conferences usually attract a broader audience. Instead, do ensure that even people unfamiliar with your topic can grasp the main points, the questions you addressed, why they matter, the methods you used, your key results, and why they're interesting. Experts can always read the paper for details, and that's your main motivation. Time management. Don't cram too much material or exceed your allotted time. Do aim to finish within the session's limits, usually 20 minutes for full papers or 10 to 12 minutes for short papers and interactive sessions. Proper pacing allows for questions and deeper discussion, while exceeding time limits loses your audience. Slide design. Don't rely on dense bullet lists. They are boring and hard to read. Do present exhibits, images, diagrams, videos, tables, or demos that you can explain while the audience looks at them. Only include material that supports your points effectively, and make sure logos or branding never overshadow your content. Clarity and accessibility. Do speak clearly and avoid rushing through content if you're running out of time. The audience won't retain that much material anyway. Q&A. Don't end with a slide that simply says, "Any questions?" Do conclude with a summary slide of your main contributions. This helps the audience formulate questions and reinforces your achievements. When answering questions, be concise and direct, giving others a chance to ask their questions as well. Finally, the more you practice, the smoother and more confident your talk will be. Following these principles will make your presentations clearer, more engaging, and more memorable for everyone in the audience. In summary, computer science strongly favors conferences as venues where interaction and discussion are central. Presentations can take many forms, from posters and demos to full-length talks, each offering unique opportunities to share your work. And finally, practicing your talk is key to reaching your audience effectively and making your research clear, engaging, and memorable.